Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 46. Dear students, today we'll learn about concept of Pakistani currency. Look at these pictures carefully. This is a 50 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. This is a 500 rupees note. This is 1000 rupees note. This is a 5000 rupees note. The note of rupees 5000 is the biggest currency note in Pakistan. Note is also called currency bill. A currency note is made up of paper. The picture of Quaid-e-Azam is printed on the front side of every Pakistani currency note. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Respectable teachers and parents explain the meaning and purpose of currency to the children. Tell them that currency note is made up of paper. Tell them how they can recognize different currency items by their look and texture, and how they may know about the value of a currency note. Teach them to read a currency note to see what information it gives to its users. Also, tell them that fair subsistence, rizq-e-halal, is necessary to earn because money fulfills man's fair needs. Arrange a role play in the classroom and involve the children in selling and buying with money. Encourage them for their role play and learning about currency with great interest and dedication. Thank you.